Well, thankfully, this bout of cold isn't as bad as it was a couple weeks ago after our first snowstorm of the year, the blizzard of 2018. We were down in the single digits for air temperatures at points. We were in the teens this morning, so it was cold, but it's not going to last all that long. Let's talk about how much snow we picked up across Hampton roads. A general 2 to 4 inches fell across the majority of the region. Hampton at 3.5 inches, Dam Neck at 2 inches. Ghent also picking up around 2 in downtown Norfolk. Some more totals from Virginia. Newport News, one of the higher totals there, as well as Holland and Yorktown on the peninsula at 4 inches. Smithfield 3.5, Churchland 3, and Poquoson also at 3. Some numbers from North Carolina. Kill Devil Hills, the jackpot at 10 inches. Poplar Branch 6.1, Corolla at 6 inches. Hertford at 5, and Camden coming in at 2. Murfreesboro at 3. So that record snowfall at Norfolk International, even though really not a ton of snow, but it blew the old record out. That was 1.8 inches. We picked up 1.9 officially there. Old record 1911. All right, snow gone now. Clouds have departed as well. Lots of sunshine out there. And the sun making contact with the snow is doing some melting despite our air temperatures that are still sub-freezing as of the lunch hour. Here's some of them right now. 30 in Smithfield, 29 in Hosky, 31 Gloucester, 28 out in Currituck, 36 in Williamsburg, 31 Gatesville at the Watch Creek, and then 28 in Elizabeth City. As we go through the rest of the day, those numbers do warm up a little bit more into the upper 30s to around 40, so we should get some pretty good melting underway before the sun sets, because once that happens, our numbers do drop quickly below freezing, and they end up in the mid-20s by tomorrow morning. So a lot of black ice, a lot of the melting refreezes. But that's really short-lived, because look what happens by the afternoon. We're up to the upper 40s and lower 50s on your Friday to wrap up the work weekend. Even warmer weather on the way for the upcoming weekend. In fact, that trend continues upwards to where we peak around 60 or 59 on Saturday and Sunday. A little bit warmer on Monday ahead of a cold front. It looks to bring a pretty mild and rainy day here on Tuesday with an area of low pressure developing along it. 40 today, mostly sunny, still breezy out of the northwest at 10 to 15, coming a little more out of the west, a little warmer flow for us. 25 tonight. Clear skies, icy spots, and watch for that refreezing. Could be some issues for tomorrow morning's commute. There's a look at your weekend. Not too bad at all. Around 60 both days, mostly sunny as well. Pretty much carbon copies of each other. And on the other side of the weekend, we do look just as nice. 63 on Monday, a tad bit warmer. Ahead of the increasing clouds by Monday night. And also some showers into the day on Tuesday. Just plain old liquid rain.